Hello friends, in plant life and utilization, we are studying bryophyta. And in bryophyta, we already studied life cycle of Rixia to the previous lecture. Now, we are going to study utilization of such bryophyte. These bryophytes are utilized in ecology. There are some ecological uses of such bryophyte. These bryophytes are used as fuel and they are also used in industry. They are used in medicine and these bryophytes are used in agriculture also. Of this, first we discuss about use of such bryophyte in ecology, or first we discuss about ecological uses of such bryophyte. The accumulation of heavy metals, cations in mosses enable them to use as pollution indicator. It means that these bryophytes functions as pollution indicator. Means these bryophytes not grow in polluted area. They can't grow in polluted water and in polluted air. It means that they functions as pollution indicator. Aquatic bryophytes also indicate the water quality status. We already discussed about that. There are some aquatic bryophytes and they can't grow in polluted water. It means that they work as pollution indicator. Third thing is that bryophytes forming mat or carpet-like structure. It means that on the soil where these bryophytes grow, they form a mat or carpet-like structure on the soil surface to avoid or reduces soil erosion. And the last is that mosses make sufficient amount of fertile soil. When these bryophytes grows on soil, their dead bodies mix with soil and fertility of soil is increases. These are ecological uses of these bryophytes. Then we discuss about use of such bryophytes as fuel and use of these bryophytes in industry. The dried peat block of these bryophytes are used as fuel. The dried blocks, which are called pits, of these bryophytes are directly used as fuel. Then the cellulose presence in bryophyte is broken down into sugar, which through fermentation is converted into alcohol. Means in bryophyte sugar is present and by the process of fermentation which can convert such sugar into alcohol. Then next example is that in Germany, scientists have evolved method of obtain ammonium sulfate as a byproduct in the production of gas from bryophyte. And the last one is that the nitrate, brown dyes, tannins material have been produced from bryophytes. Different materials, brown dyes, tannins, nitrates are obtained from these bryophytes. These are the uses of bryophyte as a fuel or use of this bryophyte in industry. Then we discuss about use of bryophyte as a medicine. There are many medicinal purposes of these bryophytes. There are many examples. Markensia polymorpha is the bryophyte, and it is used to cure pulmonary tuberculosis. It is used to cure the pulmonary tuberculosis. Another example is that species of Markensia and Polytrichum possess anti-tumor properties. There are some species of Markensia and Polytrichum which have anti-tuber property. Then next example is that dried sphagnum is boiled in water and is used in treatment of acute hemorrhage and diseases of eyes. Means the sphagnum or mosses are boiled in water and they are used in treatment of hemorrhage and in diseases of eyes. And the next example is that tea made from Polytrichum help to dissolve the stone or help to dissolve kidney stone. These bryophytes are also used in treatment of kidney stone. Polytrichum or tea prepared from Polytrichum is very useful to dissolve the kidney stone. And the next character is that peat tar, one of the product of bryophyte, has antiseptic property. These bryophytes are used as antiseptic. And the last example is that distillate of peat tar known as sphagnol has been used in treatment of skin diseases. It means that these bryophytes are also used in skin diseases also. These are the medicinal uses of these bryophytes. And last one is use of these bryophytes in agriculture. In agriculture, bryophyte is added to soil to improve soil texture. When we add bryophytes in soil, then the soil texture is improved or there is improvement in soil texture. And the dried sphagnum is also used in garden and it increases water holding capacity of the soil. When we add the bryophytes like mosses in soil, it improves water holding capacity of such soil. This is about utilization of bryophyte. In this way, we completed the syllabus of first semester, syllabus of first paper, means syllabus of plant life and utilization first, which is for first semester. Thank you.